All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is 41HW1 solving systems by graphing. We're going to do a couple problems together, and then you're going to do the rest of them on your own. If you have any questions, just come to Extra Help. I'll be happy to help you out. All right, problem number 1. It says y equals 3 halves x minus 9. And the other one in the system is y equals negative 3 halves x plus 3. Now we can put these in a graphing calculator and graph them. And then you could graph them based on the coordinates. But I also taught you how to graph slope-intercept formed by the y-intercept and the slope. And that's how I'm going to do it right now. The y-intercept here in this top equation is at negative 9, so we go to negative 9. And then we're going to go up 3 to the right 2. And we're going to continue along with this pattern. And we're going to, until we go off the page. So we get our line. So this line right here is that top line. Now we have to graph the other one. Y equals negative 3 halves x plus 3. So we do our line. Plus 3, 1, 2, 3. That's our y-intercept. And we're going to go down 3 to the right 2. Down 3 to the right 2. There we go. Let me draw it out. You could see there's an intersection right here. That's the coordinate, 4 to the right, 3 down. That's the solution when two lines cross, when graphed, or two equations. When they cross is the solution. So it crosses once, these two lines, and it crosses at positive 4, negative 3. So that's our solution, positive 4, negative 3. Next one up, problem number 2. We have y equals negative 13 over 8x plus 6. So let's graph that guy up at 6. We're going to go down 13. So at positive 6. We're going to go down 13, which is right there, and then we're going to go over to the right 8. So there's our one line. Then we're going to graph the other line. Y-intercept is at negative 6, and we got to go down 1 to the right 8. So it turns out our intersection is a little bit on the low side, but it's down here on the bottom right hand corner. That's 8 to the right, 7 down. So our answer is 8 comma negative 7. Number 3, we have y equals negative x minus 7, and then y equals negative 12x plus 4. So negative 7 is down here. We're going to go down 1 over 1. And then we want to expand our line doing the same slope. So make it nice and big as it goes throughout the entire graph that we got. Then we got y equals negative 12x plus 4. So at positive 4. And we're going to go down 12. And to the right 1. So if we zoom out a little bit, you can see down here is where they cross. So that's the solution. Let's see if I could adjust the camera a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. So you can see the two lines cross down here. And that's at positive 1 to the right and negative 8. So your answer is positive 1, negative 8. Now if you have any questions, just come to Extra Help. I'll be happy to help you out. All right, have yourself a good night.